All right, part 4 of the crock pot hot cocoa. I know it's been a long time coming. So now you can see here, I got the cups. These are 6-ounce cups. The cinnamon sticks I used from earlier today, I put them there. Before I put the hot cocoa in the cup, I actually, at the bottom, just a little bit, I put some fresh whole dairy milk. And this is right from Indiana. Support your local farmers. And the farm that this came from, let me get it up there, that is Liston, Indiana. So that farm right there. Yeah, support local farmers. So I put that there. On the side, you see there's another cup. This cup is to the side, and it also does not have a cinnamon stick in there. That's so there won't be no confusion, because I added a little something to this one. So this is Hard Truth Maple Bourbon Cream. So I added that, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'll pour a little more in this one because it's Christmas, so you can see what it looks like. Yep. It's gonna taste really good. Because I do have a gas stove, I was able to char some marshmallows, and my boys picked out these oversized marshmallows. Then I'm going to add candy cane, because these children love their candy canes. So I'll put that in there. And then the last thing I'm going to add is this Ready whipped cream. And there you have it. This is the crock pot hot cocoa. Let me come down at a different angle so you can see it just a tad bit better. But this is going to be so good.